Hey everyone, today is April the 12th, 2020, and this is update number 2 on the Kratky lettuce. Lots of growth since last week. Everything is looking beautiful. It's filling out. You can definitely see that the red lettuces are holding on to that really deep red color, which is awesome. The greens are looking vibrant and healthy. So I'm going to show you what the roots look like. The roots look really great. Healthy, white, no algae, perfect. Here's a little baby one. I realized that one wasn't hitting the water like the others. I tried to fix it, but it didn't catch up. Here's my other garden bed. Square foot gardening method. Everything's growing wonderfully, looking great. I just juiced, made a juice with some of those kale leaves and then one of the collards. Isn't that just beautiful? Pile of dirt for one of my other beds I'll be setting up next weekend. And over here is my bed of beets and carrots. Doing great. It's just so pretty. I just love to look at this stuff. Here's a rose. That's Ring of Fire. All My Loving, and the beautiful Gertrude Jekyll. Those roses smell so good. Here's my peach tree. It's doing great. I actually got some peaches on it. You can see one right here. See that? That's a little peach. And then there's another and another. Here is my Abraham Darby rose bush. And he is blooming in this pretty peachy pink.